Hello guys, this is Miss Ana Luisa Bermea and today we will work on language. So be ready. Our class is subject and predicate. We did it the other day and this is a review, so I want you to pay attention. Subject. The topic of the sentence, it includes who or what the sentence is about. The subject contains a noun or a pronoun. We have seen these two classes. Predicate. The part of the sentence that tells something about the subject or what the subject does. The predicate contains a verb. We have seen already verbs. We have here an activity. You will draw a line between the complete subject and the complete predicate in a sentence. Let's see the example. The ocean is large. I want you to take a red or blue pen and notice that says the ocean. The ocean is the noun. Ocean is the noun. And the word is the verb. So we have the noun and the verb. So we will divide it in between. In medio, in between. Let's read number one. The waves are big today. We have to identify what are we talking about. We're talking about the waves, that is the subject, and the predicate is are. So right here between, this is a noun and this is a verb. Let's read number three. Kids swim. We know that kids is whom the sentence is about, and we know that swims is the verb. So we will divide in between the two. This is the noun and this is the verb. It's very important to identify the verb to locate the predicate. Let's do one more together. The volleyball is in the air. The volleyball. So we're talking about the volleyball. This is the noun. And right here in between, we will divide it. And is the verb. Okay? So you will write the line between the complete subject and the complete predicate. Identify the subject as a noun or a pronoun and the verb or the predicate as an action. The sand is soft. We'll divide it right here between the noun and the verb. This is the noun and this is the verb. Right here is the verb. Always identify the verb so it will be easier for you to locate who or what are we talking about. The umbrellas have many colors. So we know the umbrellas, the word umbrellas is a noun, that means it's a subject, and have many colors is the verb. I will help you with one more. Mr. Green spreads out a blanket. The word spreads is extiende. So spreads is the action. So right here where the action takes place begins the predicate. Spreads is the verb. And Mr. Green is the noun or the subject. The subject always is a noun. So you will continue doing the rest of the sentences by yourself. I will help you by reading them. The younger children run to the water. I want you to identify the verb, and the verb is where the predicate begins. So divide between the noun and the verb. Tricia Sanders gets the net. Okay? Whom are we talking about? And what is she doing? Her brothers set it up. Okay, let's identify the subject. Who or what are we talking about? And what is happening is the action, the predicate. The volleyball is in the air with an expression. Identify the subject and the predicate. The lifeguard blows her whistle. Beep, brrr. Okay, the action, identify the action between the noun and the action. You will divide the sentence. All the swimmers pay attention. Okay, which is the subject and which is the predicate. We have another activity right here. Next page. Copy this in your notebook too. Subject and predicate. Read each sentence. Underline the complete subject once. Once means one time. Once means one time. The subject once, that means one time, one line. Underline the complete predicate twice. The word twice means dos, two times. Twice means dos veces, like that. Subject once means una línea. Predicate twice means dos líneas. Let's read the example. Henry caught a big fish. The subject is Henry. Caught a big fish is the predicate. Okay, let's do number one. Henry likes to fish. Okay, so we know that Henry is whom are we talking about, the subject, and the predicate likes to fish with two lines. Okay, let's do the next one. My little sister does not like to fish. Whom are we talking about? We're talking about my little sister. My little sister is the subject, and the predicate doesn't like to fish. Twice. Underline twice. Okay? Let's do the last one together. All my brothers do. Whom are we talking about? All my brothers is the subject and the predicate is do. Remember, the subject could be one word or many words, and the predicate could be one word or many words. Let's read the rest of the sentences and you will finish the activity by yourself. The ocean is calm today. Fish are swimming near Henry. Henry watches the fish swim. The fish are yellow and white. Seagulls are flying above. Seagulls eat fish. Okay, I want you to remember to write capital letters on red, punctuation in red. Use your pens, write big and clear, and skip lines so I can see the activity. Goodbye.